Okay, weirdos, this one's coming at you early because I just found out it was one of my friends' birthdays and he didn't bother telling anybody. So happy 40th birthday to my buddy Remy. I know this one's super late, but you guys are seeing a video super early, so it kind of works out in the end. And what are we gonna do? We kind of joked and talked about this, about a comic book character by the name of Thrasher. Basically in the 90s, it was a dude who rolled around on a skateboard and he had like a blade that could pop out of the front of it. But the main focus right now is a skateboard. So what I need to do is I need to make what is known as a dim mold. Basically it's just hardened foamed on some backers, and then you have to create a positive and a negative of your thing so you can squeeze your vinyl wood together to kind of get the shape of a skateboard. So I'm going with something a little different on this one. It's going to be a little weird, right? But we're going with a single kick tail. It's going to be a street deck at the end of the day. So I've kind of taken my measurements here. We're going to have a very long tail to it, kind of coming up kind of high. And then we're just going to put a slight edge in the nose, about 2 inches, just enough to where you can feel your foot into it when you're skating. That's about it. And we're going to make it slightly concave too, so you can do all those sick tricks like gleaming the cube. Remember that movie? Was that Christian Slater in that movie? I think it was. Quick, check this out. Let's go.
I don't feel jealousy, I don't feel envy. This is normally more unhealthy for me. So far I'm patient, so while you date him, keep in mind that it's your time you're taking away. Could this be something? But to tell you the truth, I don't know if he's good enough for you. You are bright and captivating, I don't find that every day. Laughter and joy you're radiating, turn the cynical away. If you could see the world the way I do, I think that you would find that I'm exactly what you need. We talk for hours, the sweet and sour. I can't deny you hold some kind of power over me. You've kept me chasing, anticipation is only giving me more motivation to stay. Could this be something? But to tell you the truth, I don't know if he's good enough for you. You are bright and captivating, I don't find that every day. Laughter and joy you're radiating, turn the cynical away. If you could see the world the way I do, I think that you would find that I'm exactly what you need.
Alright, so check it out, weirdos. Here's where we're at. We got a female piece, right? Don't get like hung up if you tried to do something like this on these like little gaps and stuff, because the wood, when we put it on it and we clamp everything together, a lot of this will kind of even out, right? That's why we use foam down here, but not so much so that it will go through the thicker stuff. At least that's the thought anyways. Definitely wait till the end of the video to make sure about that. Alright, then we got our male piece here, and we should go like this. Everything's been marked, and we should have a nice sealed slight gap there. Right? Everything's pretty even. Looks pretty good. Alright, so what do we gotta do next? Here's what we gotta do next, sports fans. This is birch. It's nice and flexible. Well, flexible to a point, right? So, and it's super thin. I think this is 1/4, 1/4, right? That's what we're looking at. I'll put the that other type of mat that people use over here for all my people across the pond. But stuff is flexible, right? So what we gotta do is we gotta cut about 7 of these. We're gonna cut 6 of them long grain, and then 1 of them cross grained. Boom, we can do it. some work. Make sure you keep your eyes down here. It will kind of flash up measurements, just important stuff like that. Maybe even a funny saying. Yeah, so let's go.
The sun is out almost every day. My job is glorified child's play. Most parts are working in my brain. I can't complain. I can't complain. Hey, hey, hey. We can find some good in everyone. Some will make us smarter, some help us have fun. A few will do us harm, but be glad we're not numb. We're the fortunate ones. I'll take the tough times that are thrown my way. I'll learn my lessons from the pain. It isn't always fair, but at least I'm playing the game. I can't complain. There's a road, and if we're late because of a broken down car, well, I bet we wouldn't walk that far. Give me a blizzard and I will make a fire. Oh, windy day will only take me higher. I can put my hood up when it begins to rain. I can't complain.
All in all, I think we got a pretty good shape going on. I'm pretty happy with that. So this next portion, unfortunately, is one of those boring parts where I take a bunch of measurements, right, start drawing out lines. But, you know, you got to get through the boring stuff to get to the good stuff. So let's get to the good stuff. Here we go.
The world is spinning and I'm dizzy staring at the stars. I left the pages in my schedule, but they're falling hard. Find me on your way out, I'll be right here. The world is spinning and I'm dizzy staring at the stars. They don't seem so far. The sky is sunny, but the clouds are running in my head. I'm thinking maybe I would rather play the part instead. backwards and I'm making sense. I'm interested in all that flourishes from ignorance. Nothing in my way now except for my own years. The world is spinning and I'm dizzy staring at the stars. They don't seem so fun. They don't seem so fun. I'm getting older and we feel a little colder. The world is trying to get us to trip, fall, roll over. But there is more to prove. These mountains, they can move. Sit tight, buckle up, we bout to hit our groove. I'm getting older and we feel a little colder. The world is trying to get us to trip, fall, roll over. But there is more to prove. These mountains, they can move. Sit tight, buckle up, we bout to hit our groove. It's hard to know what is real, gotta follow what you feel. Running out of go but have a pocket full of zeal. We keep the motor humming, doesn't matter what you steal. Just a couple music chefs trying to cook our next meal. Playing all these bars, little stranger than Mars. And accumulating scars, driving hours in the car. The future is ours, I can tell by the stars. They don't seem so. It's hard to know what is real, gotta follow what you feel. Running out of go but have a pocket full of zeal. We keep the motor humming, doesn't matter what you steal. Just a couple music chefs trying to cook our next meal. Playing all these bars, little stranger than Mars. And accumulating scars, driving hours in the car. The future is ours, I can tell by the stars. They don't seem so. It's hard to know what is real, gotta follow what you feel. Running out of go but have a pocket full of zeal. We keep the motor humming, doesn't matter what you steal. Just a couple music chefs trying to cook our next meal. Playing all these bars, little stranger than Mars. And accumulating scars, driving hours in the car. The future is ours, I can tell by the stars.
For right now, the deck is done. I even spaced out where I need to put my trucks for my wheels. So trucks and wheels, what are we doing with that? So luckily I went to a thrift store and they had these. And then I went to a skate shop and they had these wheels right here. These kind of wider street cruising type wheels. I think these were used. And the bearings in them seem pretty good, but I'm going to fix those up with some graphite. You're going to see me do that. We're going to add some graphite to these, powdered graphite, to really get sailing smooth. And I'm going to add some risers to the truck so the wheels will be up higher. But first, we need to pick the music. That's it. That's where we're going with this. Let's go.
So Just one more hour, then I swear I am turning it off. I can't remember when I started, and I'm scared of the thought. The sun has gone down, I'm all alone now. It's time to face the truth. Maybe I'm still a child. Maybe I'm still a child. Maybe I'm afraid of battles and cloaking commitment and denial. Maybe I'm a child. Another minute and I'm looking at an empty box. I'll make exceptions for events, but tell me, when do they stop? I'm reaching new highs, but I'm the same guy. I just have more to lose. Maybe I'm still a child. Maybe I'm still a child. Maybe I'm afraid of battles and cloaking commitment and denial.
Okay, you bunch of weirdos, that's it. We're all done. We got everything working great. I couldn't be more happy with this particular design in this project. So yeah, we made him a skateboard. Everything is straight, right? Put some sick decals of some friends of his that I know, but we left some of the glow powder in there too, just because, I don't know, it's a glow powder thing for me. But more importantly, we got this to work. Check this out. This is so stupid. So much like the comic book picture, yeah, we got a blade to come out of it. Maybe not the same type. And of course we made it super safe. It's made out of wood, right? And it's super easy to put back in place. And you know, if it turns out that it becomes a problem or whatever with the writing, it is detachable. You just take those two screws out right there, and this whole block thing can come right off, and then there's just a screw holding that in place. I didn't want to make it complicated, just in case he wants to take it off, you know, so his kids can ride around and not have to worry about getting in the face or something. Although the skateboard would probably do that itself. Great grip tape on here too. Thanks to my friends over at 17 Surf Shop here in Virginia. They kind of hooked me up with this stuff when they found out why I was using it. And that was super nice of them. They didn't have to do that. So thanks guys, I appreciate it. So yeah, we're going to get this. We're going to hand deliver this to Remy Q Studios. Him and his family. Down at Heroes Con, which I'll be at. If you're going to be at Heroes Con, definitely look for me. I'll be bebopping around. Yeah, I wear the same thing all the time. Everything you see in the videos, that's what I wear during the day. So I'm not hard to find. So definitely, if you're coming down, I'd love to share a drink with you, chit-chat a little bit about how to make things, or maybe even get some ideas from you. That would be really cool. Don't forget, down below I have 2 links. One for coffee and one for EVIL LAIR merch stuff. So, you know, if you want to rock out some villainy, you can do that, or drink some villain juice. You can do that as well. Let's see what else is going on. Next month's project, I think I know what I'm going to do, and I think it's going to be super surprising. I think we might, well, don't worry about it. If you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, you'll definitely stay on top of everything we do here at the EVIL LAIR. Definitely. All right, guys, that's a lot of talking. It's time to go do something. I think my wife wants me to cut the grass or something. Talk to y'all later. Bye.